एक, who is the current president of Iran? A. Ebrahim Raisi. B. Abdolnazar Hemti. C. Mohsin Rize. D. Amir Hossein Ghazizeh. Correct answer is A. Ebrahim Raisi. 2. Collinet Makoso appointed new Prime Minister of which nation? Niger. B. Mali. C. Congo. D. Taiwan. Correct answer is C. Congo. 3. Who is the current president of Tajikistan? Ashraf Ghani. B. Sediar Japarov. C. Shavkat Mirziyoyev. D. Emomali Rahmo. Correct answer is D. Emomali Rahmo. 4. Who is the current Prime Minister of Italy? A. Gaius Conto. B. Nicola Sturgeon. C. Mario Draghi. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Mario Draghi. 5. Who is the current President of United States? Donald Trump. B. Joe Biden. C. Kamala Harris. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Joe Biden. 6. Who is the current Prime Minister of Armenia? Nikol Pashinyan. B. Armen Sarkisyan. C. David Pashinyan Malpas. D. None of these. Correct answer is Nikol Pashinyan. 7. Who is the King of Bahrain? Mohammed bin Salman Al. B. Qaboos bin Said Al Said. C. Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. 8. Who is the current Prime Minister of New Zealand? A. Jacinda Ardern. B. Simon Bridges. C. Sophie Wilms. D. None of these. Correct answer is Jacinda Ardern. 9. Who is the current Prime Minister of Denmark? A. Helle Thorning-Schmidt. B. Inger Støjberg. C. Matt Frederiksen. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Matt Frederiksen. 10. Who is the current Prime Minister of Belgium? A. Kolinda Grabar-Kitarovic. B. Katrien Jacobs-Dottir. C. Sophie Wilms. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Sophie Wilms. 11. Who has been sworn in as the first Vice President of South Sudan? Riek Machar. B. Abdullah Hamdok. C. M. Ahmad Daglo. D. None. Correct answer is A. Riek Machar. 12. Who is the current President of Nepal? A. Vladimir Putin. B. K.P. Sharma Oli. C. Hassan Rouhani. D. Bidya Devi Bhandari. Correct answer is D. Vidya Devi Bhandari. 13. Bashar al-Assad is the president of which country? Burma. B. Palestine. C. Syria. D. Spain. Correct answer is C. Syria. 14. Who is the current president of Kenya? A. Uhuru Kenyatta. B. Mukhisha Kitui. C. Petter Talas. D. Uburu Vidata. Correct answer is A. Uhuru Kenyatta. 15. Who is the current president of Croatia? A. Mariano Rajoy. B. Zoran Milanovic. C. Kolin Grabar-Kitarovic. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Zoran Milanovic. 16. Who is the current Prime Minister of Ukraine? A. Oleksiy Gocharuk. B. Volodymyr Zelensky. C. Petro Poroshenko. D. Igor Kolomoisky. Correct answer is A. Oleksiy Gocharuk. 17. Who is the current President of Switzerland? A. Simonetta Sommaruga. B. Prayut Chan-o-cha. C. Moon Jae. D. Park Geun-hye. Correct answer is A. Simonetta Sommaruga. 18. Who is the current president of Greece? Prokopis Pavlopoulos, B. Karolos Papoulias, C. Christos Sartsetikis, D. Katerini Sekalaropoulou. Correct answer is D. Katerini Sekalaropoulou. 19. Who is current president of Germany? Joachim Gauck, B. Frank-Walter Steinmeier, C. Christian Wolff, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Frank-Walter Steinmeier. 20. Who is the current Prime Minister of Malta? A. Joseph Muscat, B. Soli Sophie Muscat, C. Robert Abela, D. Andrew Caruana Galizia. Correct answer is C. Robert Abela. 21. Who is the current Prime Minister of Russia? A. Dmitry Medvedev, B. Vladimir Putin, C. Mikhail Mishustin, D. Oleg Lovov. Correct answer is B. Vladimir Putin. 5. Who sworn in as new Sultan of Oman? Qubus Said Al Said, B. Saad bin Saad, C. Salman bin Al Saud, D. Haitham bin Tariq Al Said. Correct answer is D. Haitham bin Tariq Al Said. 23. Who is the supreme leader of Iran? Zarif Javed, B. Qasem Soleimani, C. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, D. Hezbollah. Correct answer is C. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. 24. Who is the current president of Indonesia? Prabowo Subianto, B. Megawati Sukarnoputty, C. Joko Widodo, D. Erlangga Hartarto. Correct answer is C. Joko Widodo. 25. Who is the current president of China? Gue Futrong, B. Xi Jinping, C. Moon Jae-in, D. Shinzo Abe. Correct answer is B. Xi Jinping. 26. Who is current elected comedian president of Ukraine? A. Petro Poroshenko, B. Volodymyr Zelensky, C. Ricardo Rossello, D. None of above. Correct answer is B. Volodymyr Zelensky. 27. Who is the current president of Nigeria? A. Muhammadu Buhari, B. Yemi Osinbajo, C. Ibrahim Babangida, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Muhammadu Buhari. 28. Who is the current president of Venezuela? Gade, B. Nicolas Maduro, C. Hugo Chavez, D. Carlos Andres Perez. Correct answer is B. Nicolas Maduro. 29. Who is the current Chief of General Staff of the Royal Saudi Army? RASA, Field Marshal Hussein bin Abdullah Al Qaib, B. General Fayyad bin Hamd Al Rawali, C. Field Marshal Abdulrahman bin Saleh Al Bunyan, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. General Fayyad bin Hamd Al Rawali. 30. Who is the current Prime Minister of Bangladesh? A. Sheikh Hasina Wajid, B. Khalida Zia, C. Mohammad Hassan Mahmood, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Sheikh Hasina Wajid. 31. Who is the current President of Ireland? A. Michael D. Higgins, B. Enda Kenny, C. Mary McAleese, D. Peter Casey. Correct answer is A. Michael D. Higgins.